Now click your settings. You can see this interface. Your main profile settings. So search this in your page. Restrict or country. Search this. CUNTRY. Okay. Now you can see this interface. So click this view. Restrict type. Okay. Now click countries. Search countries and you need to exclude country. Okay. Click any country you need to exclude. These countries are excluded. Then okay, now you can you need to target an audience. If you try to show your page to your target audience, these countries are already excluded. Okay, thank you.